it's the other mystery of Kitty Cat Zeddy, and I wonder what we're gonna open today. Have you already seen my My Little Pony fashion one? Then here's a Frozen one. So today I'm gonna be opening this Frozen one, and this one looks pretty awesome. So it has the two sisters. So let's open this. I got my scissors. I'm gonna open it. So here we go. This is pretty easy to open. It's like rubber plastic. You could just take it right off. And there's the one I got. It's Little Pink Pie. Hop, 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 hop. I want to go plan a party. Okay, so she's really cute. And let's continue to this. Okay, I got it opened. That was easy. A little more cunning. Okay. So we got it out. Well, not that out, but just some. Ooh, it's sparkly. Oh my god. Hold on, there's another part to open. Cut. Hold on, guys. Sorry. Ooh, I got it finally open. Okay, so, hold on. Okay. So here's the dark blue marker. Light blue marker. Pink marker. Purple marker. And the final one, peach marker. And the final one that's glittery, bigger one. It's like super glittery. It's like a glittery background. And on the back is just this plain white. And the two sisters are awesome because you've been wondering what this is. This is a heart right here. That covering them inside like that, but it doesn't show the whole heart like that. And this is really detailed because look at that. It's like swirlies. And a little flowers. And I love this. This is so freaking cute. And Pinkie Pie loves it too. I really love these fashion looks. But bye